Both lists and arrays are one of the key programming techniques that you must demonstrate when doing your programming project, the NEA. The programming techniques section, dealing with the written paper that you have to write, paper 2, states as follows. You should have studied and should be able to use arrays or equivalent when solving problems, including both 1 and 2-dimensional arrays. It is significant to note that the addition and 2-dimensional arrays is new to the present specification, and I think it's therefore highly likely that this is an aspect that you will examine on in the forthcoming exams. Before looking at 2D arrays, it's worth being reminded of a concept from science and mathematics. In science and maths, we often deal with graphs. Points on a graph are represented by x and y coordinates. In this system, the first coordinate of a point is always the x value, whereas the second value always represents the y value. 2D arrays are no different. These are simply arrays as tables. In other words, they are arrays of arrays. The first index of the 2D array always refers to the row. The second index of the 2D array always refers to the column. Just like in maths, x always refers to the value going across, the x value, and in maths, the second value refers to the y value, the value going up and down, or columns in our case. It's also useful to note that the arrangement of the data in the 2D array makes up a table. Tables are made up of rows, values going across, and columns, values going down. An entire row is typically an entire list or an array of itself. Thus, 2D arrays are nothing other than an array indexing elements that are in fact themselves are lists or arrays. 2D arrays are thus nothing other than an array of arrays or list of lists. There are two main uses of 2D arrays. The first one
Shutterstock Music.